Rose-flavored cake is a delightful and unique dessert that offers a subtle floral essence and a delicate aroma reminiscent of fresh roses. This elegant cake is perfect for special occasions, tea parties, or whenever you want to indulge in a touch of floral sweetness. To create a rose-flavored cake, we start with a basic cake batter made from ingredients such as all-purpose flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and a leavening agent like baking powder. To infuse the cake with the delightful rose flavor, we incorporate rose water or rose essence into the batter. This imparts a gentle and fragrant taste that complements the sweetness of the cake. Once the batter is mixed, it is poured into a greased and lined cake pan and baked to perfection. The aroma of roses fills the kitchen as the cake bakes, creating a tantalizing atmosphere. For added elegance, the cake can be adorned with a rose-flavored frosting or icing. A light and fluffy buttercream frosting with a hint of rose water can be spread over the cake layers, or a delicate rose-flavored glaze can be drizzled over the top. Edible rose petals or a sprinkling of powdered sugar can be used for decoration, enhancing the visual appeal of the cake. Rose-flavored cake is a perfect treat to enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee. Its delicate and aromatic flavors provide a unique twist to traditional cakes, making it a memorable and sophisticated dessert. The gentle essence of roses in this cake adds a touch of elegance and refinement to any occasion. Its light and airy texture, coupled with the delicate floral notes, create a delightful balance of flavors. So, savor the romance and beauty of a rose-flavored cake. Let its fragrant aroma and subtle sweetness transport you to a garden of delight. Whether it's a special celebration or an intimate gathering, this enchanting dessert is sure to captivate your taste buds and leave a lasting impression.